Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Nicole and today I'm going to be doing an everyday natural makeup look for you guys using only Glossier products. Lately I've been really loving Glossier products. I've been using them since like the summer and I just love like the natural glow they give you, and it's not too heavy on your face and it's just like overall really pretty makeup. So they're like my favorite makeup brand at the moment and I've just been using their products a lot lately, so I just want to show you guys my like natural everyday makeup look. To be honest, I don't really wear makeup like every single day. Like usually I just have my face moisturizer on and like lip balm and like call it a day. But if I do want to put a little bit of extra effort into how I look, like if I'm going out for dinner or something, then this is usually what I do, even though this look is very simple. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. If I'm looking like over here, it's because I have a mirror right here. So yeah, instead of just looking at the viewfinder the whole time. So like all of my Glossier like stuff just like fits like this little like cute like makeup, or you can use it as a toiletry pouch. It's really cute because it looks like it's like pink and it looks like bubble wrap. But anyways, so the first thing, what I have on my face already is I just have my like regular everyday face moisturizer, and then I just have my lip sleeping mask on my lips. So the first product I start off with is the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G5. Yeah, so all you really do is you just shake it up and then you just use your fingertips to apply it. So what I like to do is I just like to like go like this, like put it on like the different areas of my face. I just go like this. And like you're supposed to use your like fingertips to like blend it into your skin. So that's just what I do. And like this skin tint is very like light coverage, and like really what it does, it's very lightweight, so it just really like evens out your skin tone and it really gives your skin a really nice glow, which I love. So yeah, and it's very natural. It's a very lightweight, like I'm lucky where I don't have a lot to like cover up, but if you do have like a lot of like blemishes or like, you know, like spots you want to cover up, I would recommend getting like the concealer from Glossier, because you can use that to like cover up your more like problem areas. I know they have a concealer, which I'm actually gonna get, but I just don't have it because I don't really use concealer that much, but I do want to get it just to try it. Yeah, so I just like love how like I just love how lightweight it is and how it just evens out my skin tone perfectly. Okay, so the next product I'm going to go in with is just the Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Black. Yeah, it's just like a tinted brow gel, but before I had this product I like never used to like fill in my eyebrows or really do anything to my eyebrows, just because they're already like thick and like pretty full, so I didn't really need to. But I just love how this like sets all the hairs in place, as well as like depending on how much you apply to it, just gives a little like tint to your eyebrows and makes them look fuller, which I really like. I make sure to use a very light hand when using this, depending on like how much like how dark you want to make your eyebrows. So since my eyebrows are very like full already, I don't like to go too heavy with this product because I just don't want my eyebrows to look too dark. I still want it to look very natural while like still giving them more like fuller look, if that makes sense. So I'm just like go really lightly with them with my hand, and then just like go like that, and then yeah, and then that's basically all I do, and then I'll just do the other side. Okay, so that's basically it for my eyebrows. For like someone who like never used to do their like eyebrows or like put any products in them, I just like really love this product. And I know that like a lot of people love the Glossier Boy Brow, and I definitely recommend it for just like a very simple like one-step like eyebrow product that works really well. It just holds all the hairs in place and gives your eyebrows a little tint to make them look fuller. And yeah, next thing I'm going to use is the Glossier Lash Stick, which is basically just their mascara. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to curl my eyelashes, because I always curl my lashes before I put mascara on, just because my eyelashes are very like straight, which is weird because I have really curly hair, but my eyelashes just decide to be very straight, so it's fine though. Okay, so after I curl my lashes, I'm just gonna go in and like put some mascara on. After I finish doing my mascara, the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. And I just like use it as blush, but like when you use this, you have to go very lightly with this because like a little, like literally the tiniest drop goes a long way. So you have to be careful with this because the first time I used it, like I didn't realize that and it was just a mess. But like literally, I'll show you. I'm gonna take the smallest amount, just like squirt a small amount out like that, and then I just use my finger. Take a small amount and then just like apply it to my cheek. I just go like this. Even this is kind of a lot, but yeah. So literally like that small amount, I use it and I blend it in. Like, so like literally like tiniest amount goes a long way because it's very like pigmented. So yeah, like I'll show you guys again. Like literally, you want to take the smallest drop, literally like that much. Put it on your cheek, like literally like that, but then like just blend it in. Yeah, and like if you want to add more, because sometimes like you only put like a very small amount on and you want to like wear more, like have more blush on and give your cheeks more but like a rosier look, you can always apply more, but make sure like each time you're putting like the smallest amount on, because you can always put some on, you can always like add more, but like if you put too much, it's gonna be way hard because you're gonna take the whole thing off and it's just like annoying. So yeah. Okay, so then like after I like put it to my cheeks, I like to add like a little bit like to like my nose, just because it gives your like face, like hey, you know when you get sunburnt, like you get it kind of like straight across your face, like your cheeks and your nose. So I add like a little bit to like my nose, just because it gives like kind of like this sun kiss look. But yeah, that's just me. Yeah, so I really love this product, but just like make sure if you're getting this and you use this, you only put a little bit on, because like the tiniest like dot will like be good enough. So then the last glossy product I'm going to use is just the like Glossy Lip Gloss, and it's just like in the clear. I really love this lip gloss. It's like my favorite lip gloss, honestly. So I'm going to take some and go like this. So yeah, I just like apply the lip gloss. I'm like a very big like lip gloss person. I don't really like matte lips because they just dry out your lips, but I love like lip glosses and stuff like that. So this is pretty much it for the makeup look. The only other thing I would add to this is a highlight, but I don't have the Glossier highlight, which I'm not sure why I don't have it. Like I don't know why I didn't get it, but I'm probably gonna order it very soon because I want to get it and try it. And just because like I'm obsessed with all like Glossier like makeup products and stuff like that. Also, I want to get the lip gloss and like the other shades it comes in. I know it comes in like a red and like a sparkly one, so I want to get them because they're literally like my favorite lip gloss, and I've tried like many different lip glosses, but this one is by far my favorite. So yeah, that's basically it for my makeup tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's very like a simple like natural makeup look, but that's usually what I go for if I am wearing makeup. I just love the look of it. Like usually this is the makeup I do like taking like an Instagram picture or something, or like going out. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for many more videos that will be coming very soon. Stay tuned for next video. I'm going to be posting, I think I'm going to start posting my videos like every Sunday, like once a week, because that just works like well for my schedule, posting like on Sunday, like on the weekend. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram too, because I always post on my Instagram when I have a new video. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you have a really good day whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming.